He overthrows one right, one by one. So you realize at the end of the day, the entire constitution has been abrogated. You have heard them saying that they're not even going to do, they will not await a process of a free, fair, and credible elections. You have heard them say they are going to rig the election. That is how our country loses its constitution. We are therefore here in defense of this constitution, as you can see, flagged by all these fellow freedom fighters and liberators, to make sure that our constitution remains intact from clause 1 to clause 260. None of it that shall now be abrogated by Mr. William Ruto. The judiciary is out in defense. Today they have admitted Boniface Mwangi to a free bond. That's a free bond because they have realized that Mr. William Ruto is using the system to cajole the dissident voices. But what surprises us most is the ineptness, the inefficiency of the office of the ODPP. That office of the ODPP ought to be called out. They are the ones who are responsible of this trump of charges. They are the ones who are encouraging the abrogation and the violation of the constitution by sustaining such kind of aggressive violation and aggressive pursuit of the people who do not agree with Mr. William Ruto. Unfortunately or fortunately, we are more than them. He has to jail and charge everybody with the offense of terrorism, the 50 million of us, because we do not agree with what he's doing, we do not agree with the mismanagement of the country, we do not agree with the misgovernance of the country, we do not agree with the violation of the constitution, we do not agree to the violation of the rule of law, we do not agree to the humiliation and embarrassment and intimidation of freedom fighters and liberators. So today is a win for the Kenyan people, it's a win for us, and we are telling him we'll be here next time you arrest any other person. Utatupata hapa.
Thank you. Mrs. Mwangi.
Jerry. And when I'm addressing this malicious prosecution, malicious publication, I'm addressing Amin himself because he's responsible of that institution. Yesterday, they issued a publication that Boniface Mwangi is a terrorist. We have made an application, the court has granted us leave to make a formal application to summon Amin himself to come and explain to the court the basis upon which they issued such a publication. We are looking forward to cross-examining him because we must hold him to account. It is required of him to exercise high professionalism when executing his functions and his duties. So we are asking him to pull down that false, malicious, and untrue publication about Boniface Mwangi. He's not a terrorist. There is no offense of terrorism that has been preferred against him by the prosecution, and therefore the continuous remaining of that publication is a violation of Mr. Mwangi's rights. If it is not going to be pulled down within today, we are going to take personal actions against Amin himself. There is no one who is above the law. Yes. Not the DCI, not Mr. William Ruto, not Mr. Kindiki. We are all equal before the law. We are subject to the Constitution. The Constitution is the one that is supreme. So we are warning you, Mr. Amin, you must pull down that particular publication. It is damaging, it is malicious, because you have not charged Mr. Mwangi with any offense of terrorism. Why should that publication continue to remain on your page if you're not being malicious? Thank you.
I think there's one